So we have solved two questions, right? This one and this one. So let's try to solve this question now. This came on 22nd Jan. Okay, here they have given this compound, and here they have given this particular CH, benzyl chloride, and in the presence of NaOH. Okay, so here what happens means you can write this one like this, Hannah. C6H5 means benzene ring only. This is C double bond O Cl. Okay, so what happens here? Nitrogen is having lone pairs, right? This lone pairs will attack on the carbonyl carbon. As you know, this carbonyl carbon is having a partial positive charge due to electronegativity difference. Okay, so that's why here, let me change the color. Yeah, here this attack over here and this bond shift. See here there are two steps. First it will attack over here on the carbonyl carbon is there, right? This can shift, this will shift towards oxygen and it will form a negative charge. And again in another step, what happens means, let me write it over here, maybe you'll get confused. So I'm writing it over here itself. Okay, we have this, and here we have this NH2 positive we will get on the nitrogen, as it given its lone pairs, right? It will get a positive charge. And here we have this double bond O, I mean not double bond O, it is what O negative will get. You can do it directly, I'm just telling you in detail. Okay, so here what we have here, C6H5, and here we have chlorine, right? And then in the next step what happens, this negative charge comes here and it will make a double bond again, and this chlorine will leave as a living group. Overall we'll get this product. Here it is NH2. And also one more thing here, you can write one hydrogen like this, and hydrogen also will leave. And let me show like this. Mhm. So here one hydrogen is there, right? This will leave and bond shift towards here, and here we'll get overall product as this. Here we'll get C double bond O C6H1. Even though you might have practiced a lot of questions, right? It will be easy. It's an easy question. It's an easy conversion. It's not that much difficult also. So what I want to say is, you can directly do this step instead of doing this thing. You can directly come over here. How? You just at these lone pairs will I mean nitrogen is having lone pairs, so these lone pairs will attack on the carbonyl carbon, and just simply you remove this particular chlorine over here. So anyway we'll get this one only. So I hope you have understood the idea behind writing all these things. Okay, so now this LiLH4, this is a strong reducing agent, है ना? See here we have what group we have amide group, right? So when we use this lithium aluminum hydride, it will try to reduce this thing. This is just a carbon chain, I have just written like this. When you use this LiLH4, it will try to reduce this C double bond O to CH2, so we'll get CH2NH2. Okay, so this is the thing. So here also this will reduce this double bond O and it will make CH2. So overall product will get us this. Here so here it will be NHCH2 C6H5. Okay, so I hope you have understood this question. You can also write this one as, here it is NHCH2. This is anyway it is a benzene ring itself, so that's what. So you can write this also. This benzene ring is a bit weird, right? So yeah, I hope you have understood this is a benzene ring. That's enough, Hannah. So this is simple reaction that I'm telling you. Here what happens, this will act like a nucleophile, and here it will attack on the carbonyl carbon, and simply this chlorine will leave and we'll get this product. And here we have this reducing agent. What happens, this reducing agent will reduce this amide group to this one. Okay, so I hope you have understood. This is an easy question, it's not that hard. Okay, so we have solved even, so till now we have solved these three questions. So I hope you have understood all these three. These are simple conversions, it's not that much difficult, believe me. Okay, if you practice enough each and every reaction, you can easily do these conversions. Okay, next one, this is actually a good question. and you can get to see these type of questions in JE Advanced most of the time. So you can just try once. Pause this video and just try once. I'll definitely make a separate video. Okay. So you just try this question, we'll solve. Okay. So yeah, that's it.